floating, and on the other...
Hi everyone! Welcome to
Today
WOW!
we're doing an experiment on water density with lemons. We need 2 glasses of water, 2 lemons, a spoon, and salt. So let's begin! So first we need to put this lime into this water. Now that this lime has gone down, in this glass of water, we're going to put 3 to 4 spoons of salt. So now that we have put 4 spoons, let's mix it well. Now we're dropping this lemon in, and look what happens. This glass of water has less density than the lemon. That's why the lemon has gone down. And in this glass of water, the water has more density than the lemon. And that's why the lemon is floating on the surface of the water. Bye everyone! See you in the next video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.